Some news just coming in. Let's go straight to that. Will farmer protests be called off? Deliberation is on between the centre's draft proposal has now gone to 5-member committee. A big section are in favour to call off the agitation. Deliberations underway at the Singhu border. As per sources, farmers' agitation likely to be called off. This is after the centre wrote to farmers accepting the majority of demands. Today, consensus not built and the draft proposal has been sent. Discussion is on. The committee is sharing the draft with the SKM full body in the ongoing meeting at the Singhu border. So they're discussing what all the centre has really agreed to. Has the centre agreed to all the demands or have they agreed to only some demands? Aishwarya Paliwal is at the Singhu border. She has more on that story. Aishwarya, get us the very latest. What is it that you're picking up? Is there a split in the agitation or all farmers are willing to call this off now?
Well, Sneha, from what we are understanding at the moment, majority of the farmers, and I'll tell you, you'll be able to see that the shutter has been pulled down. Most of the farmers are inside. The deliberations are still going on, and these deliberations have been taking place since morning today. From what we are gathering from our sources from the meeting is that the centre has in fact written a letter to the farmers. Majority of the demands, the centre is saying that they accept majority of the demands, but there are still some deliberations which the farmers are doing. However, from what we are understanding, majority of the farmers at the moment are in favour of calling off the agitation. Now, let me tell you the tug of war which is happening between them. The centre says you call off the agitation and then we will agree to all the demands. The farmers, on the other hand, are saying you agree to all our demands and then we will go ahead and call off the agitation. That's the deliberation that's taking place. We expect the press conference to begin very shortly. See, people, from what we are expecting now, there's a possibility of people just coming out. We are seeing leaders coming out every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes. We'll try to speak with one of the leaders.
वापसी सर आप क्या बोलेंगे सर? केंद्र सरकार ने जो पत्र दिया उसमें क्या लिखा सर? कल बोलेंगे और वापसी की बात सर चिट्ठी आ गई है। चिट्ठी में क्या कंडीशन? सारी मांगे मान ली है सर, सारी मांगे मान ली आप लोगों ने। सहमत है? नियर अबाउट सर अपना नाम बता दीजिएगा। कुलवंत सिंह संधू। तो ये सर ये बहुत बड़ी खबर इस वक्त हम आपको सर मेरे से ना लो 5 मेंबर कमेटी पीसी करेगी। देखिए बड़ी खबर।
There you have it, Sneha. One of the farmer leaders clearly saying that most of the demands have been accepted by the central government. Now the press conference is about to begin in just a few minutes. From what we are understanding, there is a likelihood, a very strong likelihood of the farmers calling off the agitation in the press conference in just a minute.
Very possible is what Aishwarya is telling us. We'll try and get a word from one of the farmers there. Aishwarya is trying to talk to them, but of course, like Aishwarya said, there could be a press conference. So now a decision is being taken, but a big section of farmers are in fact in favour of calling off this agitation. For over a year now, farmers have been protesting. Remember, the Prime Minister on the holy occasion of Guru Purab had said that the government is withdrawing and repealing the controversial farm laws. It has been done in Parliament on the first day of the winter session of Parliament, and now farmers have decided to call off their agitation is what it appears. We'll try and get a formal word or in fact from the farmers there, or there's going to be a press conference. Aishwarya continues to be with us. Aishwarya, just do tell us, MSP and a law on that, at least something formal was one of the sticking points. What are the farmers now telling you about the minimum support price?
Well, definitely the one thing that the farmers want is a legal assurance, a written assurance about the MSP, and that was a big bone of contention. Even after Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself came out and repealed the 3 farm laws, all the farmer leaders, be it Rakesh Tikait, be it Darshan Pal, all of them had said now what they want is for the demand of the MSP to be met. Deliberations still going on inside. The people who are part of the deliberations, all of them are now standing right outside where the deliberation is taking place. They don't want farmers to be going inside. There are a lot of heated arguments from what we are understanding at the venue, Sneha. People are losing their cool. They are getting agitated. Some of the farmers are saying this is not what they want. However, majority of the farmers at the moment are looking at ending the agitation because they say the main demand was to repeal the 3 farm laws, which is something which has happened. We did get a confirmation just a few minutes back, Sneha, from one of the farmer leaders who did say that they have received a letter from the centre. The tug of war, however, at the moment is on who will blink first. The centre says you call off the agitation. The farmers who are deliberating inside, they are saying you first agree to each and every demand, give us everything in a written assurance, and only then will the agitation be called off. But Sneha, we should expect the agitation to be called off very shortly. If not today, then definitely in the next couple of days.
And the meeting is going on. When do you expect, Aishwarya, the farmers to come out and speak to the press? You did mention that there is a press conference in all likelihood.
Well, definitely, you know, Sneha, in fact, I'll show you. The setup has already been done. This is where the press conference will take place. Everything is in place. Everyone now is just waiting for the leaders to come out. And once all the leaders come out, this is the place where the press conference will take place in just a couple of minutes from now. Most of the farmers, who were part of the protest, they are sitting at the venue. They all want to know what comes out from this very crucial meeting. Sneha, the meeting has been going on since morning. So it definitely tells you the kind of discussions, the kind of deliberations that are taking place. This is where most of the farmers will be coming, from what we are understanding, in just a couple of minutes. Tough deliberations being taken place, but definitely a majority of the farmers at the moment in favor of ending this. Now, Sneha, if you remember, this is the farmers, all of them across the borders, be it the Ghazipur border, be it Singhu border, be it Tikri border. On the 26th of November, they all celebrated 1 year of the protest. So they have been sitting here for the past 1 year. Those who participated, all of them are now eagerly waiting to see what the farmer leaders have decided. We are picking up from our sources, Sneha, however, that there is a very strong chance of the farmers calling off the farmer agitation.
The centre seems to have accepted all the demands, is what Aishwarya is telling us. Aishwarya, do take our viewers to what all of these demands really were. If you could get in a word from some of the farmers there on what they really think about the centre's moves, their intentions. On the first day of the winter session of Parliament, they repealed the laws in spite of the opposition demanding for an apology on the floor of the House. All that did not happen. They just went about doing what they had promised. What the Prime Minister had said, we will repeal the laws, and that they're sorry about what has happened in the last 1 year or so, isn't it?
Well, one of the things, Sneha, what we did see definitely was the fact that most of the farmers said they do, they want a memorial of all those 700 farmers across the borders who lost their lives taking part in this protest. So that is something which the government is looking into. MSP definitely one of the biggest bone of contentions between the farmers. MSP is something which the government, from what we are understanding, they have looked into it, and a written assurance will be given about the MSP. The farmers want MSP to be a law. Sneha, we'll just try to listen to what some of the leaders are saying here.
देखिए जो एसकेएम का फैसला होगा आगे हमने कैसे करना है वो डिसाइड होगा।
देखिए ये यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे जो जहाँ बैठक होती है शटर गिरा हुआ है।
तो क्या डिसीजन आज ले लिया जाएगा?
नहीं जी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, एसकेएम डिसाइड करेगा जी। अभी प्लीज किसी का बयान ना लें तो बेटर है, क्योंकि हमें भी कुछ नहीं पता, जो डिसीजन अंदर ही होता है।
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कितनी देर लगेगी?
पीसी में आधा घंटा लगेगा जी।
आधे घंटे के बाद। So the press conference will take place in another half an hour. The deliberations are still going on inside. However, there are strong indications of the farmers calling off the agitation. Now, one of the major demands obviously was the MSP. The other demands which farmers said that there were many cases which were filed against the farmers of Uttar Pradesh, farmers in Punjab and Haryana. All those cases need to be taken back. One other important issue which the farmers were talking about was that of stubble burning. Now, the letter which the centre has written, from what we are understanding, we are yet to get a copy of the letter, Sneha. Centre has agreed to majority of the demands demands, and majority of the farmers, after reading what the centre had to say, is now in favour of calling off the agitation. Deliberations still going on inside. There's so much excitement, so many of the farmers who have been protesting wanting to go inside. Now this, the shutter has been brought down. The deliberations have been taking place for over 5 hours now. The SKM, which is the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha committee, which was the backbone of the protest, they were the leaders who brought everyone together, and at various borders they have been sitting for the past 1 year. They are the ones who will take the final call. Just inside this shutter, there's a huge room where the deliberations are taking place. In the next half an hour, the press conference will be held, and in the next half an hour, it will be clear what the farmers
Big
decide.
story we are breaking at this hour, and that's the story first broken right here on India Today, that farmers, in all likelihood, Aishwarya is telling us that there is a possibility. The indication is that finally the farmers may call off the entire agitation. For days together, we've been reporting that a section of farmers are willing to go back home if the government says they're willing to start a discussion on minimum support price. But right now, Aishwarya is telling us that a meeting is underway to tell our viewers of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the lead organization in all of this. In half an hour, we just heard from one of the farmers' representatives that they're going to be talking to the press in half an hour and take a final call on whether they want to call off this aggressive agitation that they've been carrying out for over a year at Delhi's borders, where traffic was stalled, where farmers have been camping for days together, winter, summer, disease, infection during the peak of the second wave of the pandemic. Aishwarya, it's been a tough ride for farmers as well, but the government too has relented, and we can't take away from the fact that the Prime Minister came out and said that they're sorry about what has happened and they're willing to do this in national interest, isn't it? The opposition is going to be, in fact, latching on to this as well, talking about how, how the government failed to see the sufferings of the farmers. They've done that in the past for the last 1 year or so.
Well, this is how the Prime Minister started his address. He did say that the government came up with the three farm laws, and they wanted to implement them because the government, and especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he believed that the farm laws would do good for the farmers. But while saying that the government repeals the three farm laws, he did say that there was a certain section of the farmers whom the government could not convince, and that's one of the reasons why they said that they will repeal the three farm laws. See, the government in its part has been whatever the government has said, they did it. We did see how the repealing of the farm laws was also done on the first day of the winter. The first day, which is 29th of November, the government did say we'll do it. That has been done. But we still understand, deliberations are going on inside, hectic deliberations. That's what we are, we are understanding at the moment. Most of the farmers in favor, Sneha, and this is very crucial. From what we are understanding, 60 to 70% of the farmers across the borders are in favor of calling off the agitation, because the agitation was for the government to take back the three farm laws. Apart from that, the farmers say the MSP demand is also something which the government has agreed upon. On the other side, all the preparations are being done at the moment for the press conference. In the next half an hour, press conference will take place. That's when the farmer leaders who are inside will come out. Darshan Pal, one of the main architects of this protest, he too will be coming here, and he will be making sure that they speak with the press. Farmers also, you see majority of the farmers sitting down. These are the people who have been on the streets in every possible weather, in harsh conditions. One of the harshest winters the national capital saw. All of them were here at the Singhu border outside protesting. And now it looks like things will come to an end, with the majority of the farmers saying they don't want to continue the agitations.
The opposition has said this, and has said this in Parliament as well, that you should be giving compensation as well as jobs to those farmers, the kin of, the farmers who've died during the course of this agitation, more than 700 of them. Any word at all, Aishwarya, on what the government has said about these specific demands?
Well, we are still trying to figure out, what the government is saying with regards to giving jobs. However, the three main demands, the demand of MSP, of taking back all all the cases which were filed against the farmers. These two major demands have been taken into account by the centre, and that is the reason why we are seeing the farmers now softening their stand in the next half an hour. This is where the press conference will take place. The preparations are all underway. From the farmers are not letting anyone
just be
else
with us.
enter
We'll
the
just come
area
back
where
to you
the
in a few
deliberations
seconds from
are.
now. A couple of reactions that have been coming in. Let's put them out.
सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए।
आंदोलन खत्म हो गया?
नो,
कब खत्म होगा?
कल अनाउंस करेंगे कल।
Okay, we had in fact heard from one of the representatives, but we'll wait in to get a formal word from the farmers on whether they are now formally calling off the stir that has been going on for months together. Over a year now, farmers have been protesting. In spite of promises from the government, they did not go back. But what has changed in the last 2 days? Aishwarya is with us to tell our viewers what really has changed. A committee was set up to hold a dialogue with the government, and this route that the farmers took, the SKM essentially took, seems to have worked in the favor of both the farmers and the government, and calling off this battle and this fight that has been going on for weeks and months together over a year. Aishwarya.
Well, Sneha, you asked what changed in the past few days. What has changed is the fact that when Prime Minister on national television came and accepted the fact that his government was not able to convince a certain section of the people, the way he, in a way, apologized and said that they were sorry that they were not able to convince that section, that in itself was a very big step, and the farmers really took that in their stride. However, after the announcement, they also celebrated the first anniversary on 26th November. After that, the government came out with a proposal of setting up a committee. The committee was constantly in touch with the government, and on the other side, they were in touch with what the farmers wanted. Now, remember, we did see farmers turning up in large numbers. We are seeing the shutter openings, Neha. I'll just ask my camera person to show you. No one is coming out, but in just a couple of minutes, this is the very shutter which will open, and we'll see all the major leaders, be it Yogendra Yadav, be it Darshan Pal, all of them will come from this side. Now, those farmers that who were part of the committee, all of them started speaking with the government, and on 29th November, when the farm laws were repealed, it gave an assurance to the farmers that the government is very serious about what it's telling them. We do also understand a lot of back channel talks were also taking place between all the farmer leaders. Now, majority of the farmers who came from the state of Punjab, for them, the big issue was repealing of the farm laws. That did take place. The MSP issue was another big thing which most of the farmers were talking about. But once the farm laws were repealed, internally to the farmers, and let me tell you, there are 40 farmers who are part of the SKM. Out of that, more than 30, close to 32 farmers were in favor of going back, and that's the deliberations they have which is taking place inside. This is the Singhu border which has been blocked for over a year. Other borders to Tikri and Ghazipur, we did see how commuters too were at the receiving end of the agitation. Now, taking all these things into consideration, farmers at the moment are looking at calling off the agitation. That's what we are understanding at the moment. In just half an hour, the press conference will begin, and we will then see officially what the farmers have to say. Sneha.
After over a year, more than a year, farmers have been protesting. It's been a difficult fight for them to, in fact, get the government to repeal the controversial farm laws that they had been protesting against. The government has relented. The opposition, Aishwarya, meanwhile, has obviously linked this directly with the elections in the state of Punjab due next year, and also in the state of Uttar Pradesh, more so in Punjab, where the farmers have been completely against the central government, isn't it?
Well, some of the people who have been watching the way the government has handled this is actually saying that this is a very smart move by the government, because one of the major issues which all the opposition parties, we did see how Rahul Gandhi also picked up the issue in Lok Sabha today. So definitely the opposition was keeping the pressure on the government with regards to the farmers issue. Now that the government has repealed the 3 farm laws, many are questioning the need for the opposition to once again rake the issue, which in all likelihood, Sneha, will see an end today. That's what we are gathering. But as far as the opposition is concerned, they did try to give certain names. They did say the Prime Minister is repealing the laws because of the upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. However, the government is saying that they are doing this because they feel they failed to convince a certain section of the farmers. That's what the government is saying. Opposition definitely trying to figure out different meaning. But one thing that the government has done is to put a lid on this issue once and for all. And we are seeing the opposition now trying to make sense of what has happened with Rahul Gandhi today too, breaking up the issue in Lok Sabha, asking the government certain pointed questions on what happened with regards to the farm laws. You know, in just a couple of minutes now, that's what we are understanding. There is a little bit of commotion right outside Sneha, where the farmers are deliberating, and this deliberation has been going on for over 6 hours now. The farmers met at around 11 o'clock today, and we are now seeing all the farmers. We'll just, quickly ask them. Kitna time roughly? Kitna time lagega roughly?
I think another 30 minutes.
Another 30 minutes?
Yes, yes.
Final decision आके आप लोग बाहर ही बताएंगे?
फाइनल डिसीजन हाँ जी, जो एसकेएम की 5 मेंबरी कमेटी बनाई है वही बताएगी.
कमेटी मेंबर्स भी अंदर ही हैं?
हाँ, they already inside.
So all the members inside. In another 20-25 minutes, half an hour is when the press conference will take place. Now we need to understand, Sneha, why this is taking so much time. It's not just about the committee members. It's not just about the 40 farm unions which come under the SKM, which is the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. It's also about those thousands of farmers who have been sitting on the various borders for the past 1 year. We did see very young children. We did see old women also taking part in this largely peaceful protest. So all those sentiments also need to be taken into account before the SKM comes to one final decision. The decision, they say, they will tell the media in another half an hour. They are guarding the gate. Sneha, this is something which we need to see. All of them now guarding the gate. They don't want farmers to go inside. They don't want anyone to go inside once a decision is taken. Yogendra Yadav too, Sneha, is inside. He is a part of those people who are deliberating on what to do. Darshan Pal, one of the main architects of the protest, he's also inside. Now all eyes at the moment are on what will happen in the next 15 to 20 minutes.
That's right. What are the demands, Aishwarya, that you've picked up from your sources that the centre has accepted when it comes to a list of demands that the farmers had put out, including the sacking of Minister Tenney? That is something that SKM has been fairly insistent upon, isn't it?
Well, they had a couple of major demands. The first demand obviously was to make sure that MSP becomes a law. They want written assurance from the government on to make it a law. Apart from that, they also said that memorial should be made, for those 700 farmers who have lost their lives. They also said that the junior home minister should be asked to resign. Now, that is one of the demands on which the tug-of-war is taking place. And as far as cases are concerned, across farmers in the 3 states, those cases too, farmers want the government to take back. Now, deliberations from the centre side have already been taken place on all these demands. A letter has been sent. From what we are gathering, we have not seen the letter so far. From what our sources are telling us, however, is that the government has given a green signal to all these demands, which is why we are seeing deliberations taking place within the farm unions. Now, see, for the farmers of Punjab, obviously the biggest issue was the 3 farm laws. Those were repealed, and after that, we did see farmers from Punjab putting pressure on the SKM to call off the agitation. They were ready to talk with the government. They were ready to be part of committees because their main demand was taken care of. Farmers from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, they wanted to talk about the MSP. So they started putting pressure on the SKM, saying, let's not move back till the time the government does not give us a written assurance of the MSP. So definitely a lot of permutations and combinations were most of the farmers were looking at those permutations and combinations. And today, finally, after more than a year, and we did see, how the farmers' protest was something which was being talked about across the globe. We did see celebrities like Rihanna also tweeting about this farmer protest. So it was not small, and the farmers understand their power. They understand if they want to stick around, they can till the time all their demands are not met. However, we do see some commotion. No one coming out yet, but we will see leaders coming out from this very staircase. Most of the major One person has come out, Sneha, though not all of them. So I believe in the next
Yes,
15,
Aishwarya,
20
we'll just
minutes.
come back to you for more on that. A couple of reactions that are coming in. Let's go straight to them.
देखिए, पहली बात तो मैं राहुल गांधी जी को बोलूंगी कि हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के अलग होते हैं, तो ये कम से कम किसानों के ऊपर ऐसी राजनीति ना करें। पंजाब में इनकी सरकार के होते हुए कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह इनके साबका मुख्यमंत्री और प्रेजेंट इनके फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर मनप्रीत बादल वो सारी डिस्कशंस के हिस्सा थे 2019 में, जब ये कृषि कानून की चर्चा हो रही थी, और वो कमेटी का हिस्सा थे, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स की कमेटी, या फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस में कहा गया। और जब ये कृषि कानून पास हुए, राहुल गांधी खुद विदेश में थे, इनकी पार्टी ने इसका विरोध नहीं किया, इनके पंजाब के सीएम ने इसकी सहमति दी, जिस करके ये कानून आए। और उसके बाद बड़ी हाथ की सफाई से, जैसे इनके सुनील जाखड़ जो अध्यक्ष थे, उन्होंने कहा कि बड़ी स्मार्टली उन्होंने कहा कि सियानव से कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने सारा मुद्दा दिल्ली की तरफ करके किसानों को दिल्ली भेज दिया। सबसे पहले तो अगुवाई कांग्रेस को करनी थी, ये किसानों को लड़ने के लिए खुद के लिए इन्होंने जो यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये 800 मौतों के, जहाँ बीजेपी तो है ही, वहां पे कांग्रेस और राहुल गांधी भी इसके कम जिम्मेदार नहीं है। तो पहली बात, जब इनके राज्य में, जैसे मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से करीबन 150 किसान, कल भी मौड मंडी से जिसकी मौत यहाँ पे हार्ट अटैक होके हुई है, वो मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से थे। 150 किसान जो मर गए मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से, तो जो 800 मरे हैं वो पंजाब के थे। पंजाब सरकार का फर्ज बनता है, जब पार्लियामेंट में बार बार तोमर साहब एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर कहते हैं हमारे पास आंकड़े नहीं है, तो आप सो रहे हैं क्या कि आज तक आपने आंकड़े नहीं दिए हैं? आप चिट्ठी लिखिए एज मुख्यमंत्री, आप जाके मिलिए और इनको दिखाइए कि कौन कौन, मैं सारा का हिस्ट्री लेके जाइए। दूसरी बात, यहाँ पे तो आप बात करते हैं, लेकिन आपके मुख्यमंत्री ने, चन्नी ने और अमरिंदर सिंह ने, दोनों कांग्रेस सरकार ने कहा कि जितने किसानी आंदोलन में मरे हैं उनको 10 लाख का कॉम्पनसेशन और हर एक को नौकरी। अब नौकरी तो अपने एमएलए को, बच्चों को देके अपनी कुर्सी बचाने के लिए वो तो मिल रही है, कभी बाजवा को, कभी बिट्टू के रिश्तेदार को, लेकिन जो किसान मरे हैं उनके रिश्तेदारों को, उनके बच्चों को कब वो नौकरी मिलेगी? और 800 किसानों को उनका बनता हुआ 10 लाख आप कब तक देंगे? सो ये डबल राजनीति, इधर कुछ और बोलते हैं और जिस राज्य में सारा मुद्दा है वहां पे आप कुछ अपना कर नहीं रहे हैं। ये दोनों ही एक जैसे हैं, और मैं इसीलिए मैं बार बार यही श्रोमणी अकाली दल का स्टैंड है, और कल भी मैंने यही बोला। सबसे पहले जो आपने ये आंदोलन के दौरान देश भर में किसानों के ऊपर जो उल्टे सीधे केस आपने लगा दिए, कोई देशद्रोही का, कोई आतंकवादी का, पता नहीं क्या कुछ लगा दिया, तो वो तो जायज मुद्दे पे वो लड़ रहे थे। अब आपने वो मान लिया कि वो मुद्दा जायज था और आपने वापस लिया, तो ये केस भी वापस होने चाहिए। और दूसरी बात, जैसे ये एमएसपी की मैंने बात करी है, सो राहुल गांधी से तो मेरा यही आग्रह है कि पहले आप जरा जो कहनी और कथनी को तो एक कर लीजिए, जिस राज्य में ये सारी ये इश्यूज हैं उधर तो दूर कर लीजिए। उधर तो किसानों का आपने सारा कर्जा माफ करने का 2017 के आपका मैनिफेस्टो है जिसको आपने रिलीज किया था, एक किसान नहीं है जिसका सारा कर्जा माफ हो गया, तो इधर किस मुंह से आप बोलते हैं? यहाँ पे राजनीति खेल रहे हैं, और किसानों के ऊपर राजनीति खेलने से और घिनौनी कोई चीज हो नहीं सकती, क्योंकि इस किसान का बेटा बॉर्डर में आपके देश की रक्षा कर रहा है। वो क्या सोचता है जब उसका बाप सड़कों पे बैठा हुआ है, मर रहा है, और आपकी पार्टी और भाजपा हो उनके ऊपर राजनीति कर रही है?
मैम, इसके साथ ही एक और मुद्दा जो है सैंड माफिया का, जिसको लेकर के अरविंद केजरीवाल लगातार पंजाब सरकार पर निशाना साध रहे हैं। उनका कहना है कि मुख्यमंत्री की खुद की कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में सैंड माफिया सक्रिय है और बड़े पैमाने पर वहां पर जो है ये अवैध खनन हो रहा है। क्या कहना है आपका?
जी, आप याद करेंगे 2017 में
मुआवजा पंजाब मॉडल सभी को मिलेगा। सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए। आंदोलन खत्म हो गया? कब खत्म होगा? कल अनाउंस करेंगे, कल।
Well, we just heard from, in fact, the Akali Dal then, indicating clearly that now the Congress is trying to reap benefits of this entire matter. Remember, this is the same Akali Dal that split with the BJP when the farmers hit the borders, and they've been sitting on an agitation for a year and more now. In fact, the big story we're getting at this time, we're waiting to hear formally from the SKM on the fact that they have now decided to call this agitation off. There has been a discussion that's been ongoing, and 2 days ago, a committee was formed to discuss with the government on what their set of demands were, including a law on MSP and also compensation for the farmers, as well as job for the kin of those farmers who've died, plus removal of Minister Tenney. What all are the demands that the centre has adhered to and has